Hello everyone, I often get asked about these devices, sharpening rods or honing rods. This is a ceramic rod with a diamond plate here for rough grinding. The best way to use these is in the safest way. Just get yourself your cutting board, the tea towel, place it as vertical as possible and just hold it firmly. So why do we need to realign the apex of the knife? So what happens is, if I can just demonstrate like this, often when we cut on a surface or do a lot of cutting, we get the apex of the knife that goes over to one side like that or to the other side, and what we need to do is use this ceramic rod just to straighten up that apex again, that micro bevel, so that we can do proper cutting again. The geometry is nice and straight behind where you want to cut. So the first thing we got to notice that this is a ceramic rod, it's not a normal steel, and the first rule of thumb is, if you have a knife of a certain dimension, make sure that the ceramic rod is at least longer than the knife you're going to try to realign the apex or do the maintenance sharpening. So I will just demonstrate. Take your ceramic rod, put it in a vertical position, pick up your knife, start off at the heel of the knife, and normally at the top of most sharpening stones, that angle there will be about 22 degrees if you start off there, and then just very slowly on either side, from the heel to the tip, about 4 to 5 times either side. And I demonstrate it like this because it's a safe way of doing it, and less chance of the rod slipping because of the tea towel, and less chance of cutting yourself. Done. This knife is ready for use. Just a note to add, these rods work well with double bevels and not that great for single bevel knives like Debas, Scandi grinds, and for instance chisels. They don't do well in that department. Rather get that done on a waterstone or oilstone that's completely flat.